Creating gorgeous fabric projects with extra detail is simple with Spray and Bond Basting Spray by ThermOWeb. Spray and Bond Basting Spray is a temporary bond spray adhesive for fabric. Since it's repositionable, it can be used during the design phase for applique placement or to assemble landscape quilt layers. It can hold templates, embroidery stabilizers, and quilt batting in place on fabrics. It can also be used in place of pinning or basting, saving you time. It's also sewable and won't gum up needles. Before you get started, you'll want to pre-wash your fabric without fabric softener and test it on your fabric. To use Spray and Bond Basting Spray, shake the can well and hold it upright about 12 inches from your fabric. Next, press the sprayed item onto your project while it's still tacky. You can reposition it as needed. Finally, sew your project. The adhesive cleans up with soap and water. When you're finished, hold the can upside down and press for a short burst to make sure the nozzle is clear before storing. Adding extra creative touches to your fabric projects is easy with Spray and Bond Basting Spray by ThermOWeb.